Okay. So what did we do here is 6 plus whatever value we got here, right? Into this comes to 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we got this value. So 6 plus this plus, let me round this value as 0.094. So that is going to be my, is it not coming out? Okay, this 6. So I get 6.094 here as my average. Did you understand? So using this formula, we find out if it is going to be a continuous class. Okay, share screen and so on. Is it visible to you now? Great. So any doubts so far? So we saw arithmetic mean, median. We will also see mode here. Mode is the value that occurs as frequently as possible. Can I find out the mode for this value? जो value का ज़्यादा occurrence होता है उस value का mode जो है क्या? Find out the mode for this. It says 3, 3. Count the number of occurrences of each value. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा value occur होता है यहाँ पे? ज़्यादा time. I mean how more frequent?
5.
Sorry, 5. 5 occurs
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times.
4 times.
6 occurs 5 times. So can I not say 6 is my mode?
No, it's 5.
Are you sure?
It's occur more times. Yes, ma'am.
4. 5 तो 4 बार occur हो रहा है ना बेटा? यहाँ पे देखो. 6,
हाँ.
3, 4, 5. Count the number of occurrences. It is 6. 6 5 बार. 5 occurs 4 times. Right?
Okay. Okay.
So can I see this way? अगर यहाँ पे देखा तो mere observation mode जो है, by mere observation you can let me say X and F. Yeah, X and F का type. So I will say X, F. Now 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to say 3 occurs twice, 5 occurs 4 times, 6 occurs 5 times, 8 occurs 3 times, 9 occurs twice, and 10 occurs once. ठीक है? I've given listed the frequency. By mere observation, देखते ही हम पहचान जाएंगे 6 जिसका frequency सबसे ज़्यादा है, वो mode होता है. Are you understanding? If there is
Yes, ma'am.
please type out on the chat box. I'm also simultaneously seeing your chat box. Now coming to continuous data. ठीक है? यहाँ पे भी हमें मिड वैल्यू की जरूरत नहीं है. से I 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 6, 4 6 to 8. So do you remember the formula for mode? Continuous data mode. I'll first identify my modal class. Modal class यहाँ पे है. I will call it as F1. इसके previous class F0. Next class F2. Correct? Very good. I'm sorry. F2. ठीक है? Can you recall the formula? Mode has to be somewhere here. वो आइडेंटिफाई किया क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी था. Yes, someone was trying. Shika, should I unmute you? Shika and Archana. हाँ अर्चना बताओ आप. फॉर्मूला याद है आपको? I will say.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो अर्चना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me the formula? Mode is represented by Z. ठीक है? Z equal to yes. अर्चना बताओ. Did you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This is my modal class, and hence Z equal to L1 plus. ठीक है? I will say F1 minus. What do I do here? F0. ठीक है? The whole divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. ठीक है? I will just underline it so that it looks like a formula.
Okay.
The whole into L2 minus L1.
Minus L1.
What is L2 and L1?
4 is L1 and 6 is L2.
Very good. Lower limit of the modal class and upper limit of the modal class. Very good. Perfect. Okay, so I will start here. I will start with the formula 4 plus. Sorry. 4. And this is going to be F0 minus F1 into 5 minus 4. Am I right?
5.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by
2.
2 into 2
5 minus 4
5. I open the bracket.
minus 4.
Right. Minus bracket. It's going to be F0 minus F2. Right?
Yes.
Okay. F0 is going to be 4
Minus.
plus आएगा बेटा, because see when I have to add these. ये bracket के बाहर minus निकालो तो ये आगे का plus हो जाएगा. Right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
That gives me 3. The whole into. Are you following? 4 plus 2 which is 7. Any doubt?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Denominator. Okay. So 1 divided by 3. So I will say equal to this divided by, into this divided by this whole thing into 2. L2 minus L1 is 2. 2.7. Sorry. 8 seconds. Sorry. 4 plus 1 by 3. 4 plus is going to be 1 by 3 is 0.33. 0.33 divided by, multiplied by 0. So it comes to plus, right? मैंने ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली अप्लाई किया था. 4 is my lower limit, ठीक है. f0 minus f1 is going to be 5 minus 4, which is 1.
Yes.
The whole divided by 2 into f1, 10, minus 3, 7, minus 4, again is going to be 3, ठीक है. 10 minus 3 minus 4 is again going to be 3. आया. Into, I'm going to say 1 divided by 3 आ जाता है, which is going to be 0.33 into 2. 2 is the class interval. 6 minus 4 is 2. That is going to be 0.66. 4 plus 0.66 is 4.66. Are you following?
Yes.
Is there anybody who has a doubt? You have to follow the formula, work it out and see. Then you will get it. It's only a revision lecture. So that is how we get mode. Mode is in between 4 and 6. 4 or 6 के बीच में आना चाहिए आपको mode. So these are the basic measures of, we call them in general as averages, arithmetic mean, mode and median. So all the values are assumed to lie in between these three values. So can we exit the Excel sheet and go back to our PPT now?
Okay.
Yes. Do you see my PPT there?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me go back to my PPT here. We saw arithmetic mean, median. Median was a positional average, middlemost value of the series. Mode, most frequently occurring.
Yes.
Right? Any doubts so far? Do you want any elaboration in any of these things? Calculation mein? So it was just a basic revision lecture. In case you want me to do a one-on-one, we will address this maybe tomorrow or the day after, whichever way. So, but then you all three classes, you need to be thorough with this because these are measures of central tendency, which is the basic. So, क्यों central tendency बोलते हैं? All the values in the observation are assumed to be lying in and around the central value. They are tending towards the central value. That is why we call it as measure of central tendency. So with that, we will conclude. Kindly fill up the Google test form. There are no marks there are no certificates which are going to be awarded. We are just going to test your level of understanding. Right? Can we wind up for the day?
Okay.
Thank you very much. We'll hope to see again in future.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye, Divya. Thank you. Thank you all. I'll end the meeting here. Have a nice day. Thank you. Stay safe. Do you want me to share the PPT? I will share it in the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.